Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your delivery zone in the Skip the Dishes app. So let's get started. First, open the Skip the Dishes app on your phone and log in to your account. At the top of the screen, you'll see your current delivery address. Tap on it to view your delivery zone details. You'll now see an option to select or edit your location. You can either edit your current address or add a new one. To add a new delivery zone, tap Add a new address and type in the new location you want to deliver to. Once you've entered the new address, tap Save. You can now choose this new address as your active delivery zone. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change your delivery zone in Skip the Dishes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.